In the middle of a frozen wilderness, where the land is covered in ice as far as the eye can see, a man finds himself completely alone.
The road disappears. The storm grows stronger. There is no way forward and no way back. Using what little strength he has left, he begins digging into the ice. Not a house, but a shelter. A cave made of snow, protected from the wind. Small, but warm enough to survive.
All right, boys, tuck in. You earned this. We made it through the worst of it. Everything he has is inside one travel bag. Food, fire, hope.
Fire becomes life. Warmth replaces fear. The cave begins to feel human. Simple food, cooked slowly, shared carefully.
In the heart of the storm, the cave provided a brief respite, a moment of warmth through sheer will.
He eats last. Because survival is not just about yourself.
Days pass inside the ice. The storm refuses to leave. But neither does hope.
Then the silence changes. The storm begins to retreat. For the first time in days, the world opens again.
The roads return. The frozen prison unlocks.
They entered the storm together, and they leave it together.
Nature does not care who you are. But if you respect it and stay strong, it may let you live.